I think they missed the Macy's fireworks.
Macy's fireworks is famous.
It was.
Oh, look at that smoke. What's that coming from?
I don't know.
Somebody's car?
Guess so. I don't know. Or is it?
See the smoke, don't you?
I do. Is there somebody smoking?
You're not really smoking up a smoke.
What is that? Marrow pot?
Who knows?
It's a good spot to watch the fireworks. Oh, I see what's on the water sprinklers.
That was like smoke, right?
Maybe the water sprinklers help clear in the air.
Could be. You sure that's what it is?
It was smoking. I'm just looking at the film. The firework. Is that alright? See it right here.
Yeah.
I'm taking another film of it. Is that okay?
Where's that?
I don't know. It's that idea. That direction. I hope not. Just stay cool and calm.
Maybe it's time to go in.
Don't worry about it. Just seeing if I see any fireworks. Just don't worry, we'll be alright.
What's the latest? Heart attack?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
The smoke came over there, and it did look like it turned on the water sprinklers. Could it be their car smoking? There's a little firework I saw
Yeah. Where?
a minute ago.
Oh, yeah, I saw the little firework.
Yeah, it was there. The sky. It's beautiful. But the Macy's one was spectacular.
Wow, that was spectacular.
I don't
That's
mind
fireworks.
saying it again because it was. That's the truth.
20 fireworks at once on Macy's fireworks on TV.
Wow, that's
That
way
was neat.
way more than over here. It's beautiful.
Wow. What? Okay, don't let Charlie out.
You scared of fireworks so shy and scared.
Yeah, that did. I'm ready to go in because I think it's over now.
I would say so. It's a short one. Get the water spray, Mom.
Okay. Yeah, but you didn't have it.
Yeah, that's the thing. Just be careful. Be quick.
Oh, she's trying to get the rock.